Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I have walked down to my little base camp area today. I got to get some stuff for firewood for the next couple days. I don't need much, but come down here to see what all has blown down. And there's a little oak tree, and there's a cherry tree over there, and another little maple tree right there that I'm gonna cut up and use for now. But I used to spend a lot of time down here, primarily in the bush box. But here, you can't tell, but if you Google building the bush basket, there's kind of a hump here in this circle. I had a huge dome, all natural, weaved shelter that was pretty awesome. The entrance was here, and I had a fun little fireplace that I could load from inside. It's pretty awesome. There's some past posts of it and me actually building it on Bushcraft USA on that forum, as well as the bush box. Oh, sorry, I didn't realize my fingers was there. I'm not used to carrying it around. But the bush box is pretty straightforward. I got a permanent fire pit here that I got to get down here and clean everything up. But it's just got they flip back and forth. I can put a grill on there. Just your basic stone circle. The bush box, however, some squirrels have got in it and tore down some of my insulation, and I had a bird's nest up here. I had a bird's nest right there and some of my stuff, but it's got a skylight up there that's just covered with stuff right now. But I made this thing out of old pallets, and it's got 2 shower curtains on it, so you can pull and close the front, kind of like a super shelter would be, just less insulated. There's plenty of ventilation on this thing. A super shelter down here will swelter you to death, just about. But we spent a bunch of time out here just hanging out. But it is 2 pallets with I think 4 landscape timbers in it, pushed all the way through, and then it's sitting on telephone poles, pieces of telephone pole. And it's I'll put 10 on it. It's my permanent camp. Just whenever me and the kids, when the kiddos wanted to come and do something, this was easy. We can just come out here and stay at this. I don't have to worry about putting it up and taking it down. It's convenient. My house is that way, about 200 yards maybe. So this was just a convenient spot. There's a small drainage creek right here, and there's a big creek over there right at the base of that hill that runs down through there, and then it hits another creek on further down, a larger one. It's got some pretty cool waterfalls on it. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total pallets, and I just stick built the roof. Pretty easy. All I had to purchase was the skylight and some hardware, and put her together. I'm gonna get out here and get it cleaned back up. I had some fun little trophies that I had found. Dirt daubers have started making nests in my gold pan. Looks like my shower curtains have seen better days. And that's just a piece of it's a piece of conduit, and I put the shower curtain on key rings. It just runs side to side. Pretty fun little coffee pot. Something got in here, I noticed, and got all in some cinnamon that was out here. Ate the top of it off. There's no telling. But pretty neat. I'll get out here and... Oh, shit, that scared the hell out of me. Dirt dauber thing fell on me. But I'll get out here and clean this up and go ahead and run it on up there to the top. And I don't know, get out here and place some stuff. I found this on the creek. It was rusted into an old tree. Some shed stuff found out here. My my coffee I keep in there so nothing would tote it off. This was a fun build. I hadn't been out here in a long time though, so I need to make this happen. Get out here. Yeah, pretty cool. The Bushbox, an Adirondack style pallet shelter, pallet wood, recycled pallet building. Pretty neat. All right, y'all. I got to cut some wood and haul it back to the house, but I appreciate the support. Feel free to like and subscribe. Yeah, we appreciate it. Later.